Bye everyone.
How many?
Sige lang. Atad na lang. Wala pa man ang shuttle. Nanang shuttle?
Matthew, is it very cold?
We have to go in our room.
Yeah, so we're heading back to our room and it's very
Going to the maze. Everyone, let's start our maze.
Where's the starting point, Matthew?
It might be somewhere.
Oh, be careful not to get lost. Where are you heading?
Here we go. Past the doors. Past the doors.
Oh, you're almost lost. Oh, lost? Lost again? Where is the ending? Where is the exit point? Are you lost? We're not? It's the end. Oh my God. Sorry guys. Where are we? Are we lost again? Where are you? Oh, I'm lost. Oh. Wait.
Maze is closed. Everyone.